Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Booster. Today, we're talking about building multiple income streams. Relying on a single paycheck can be risky. What happens if you lose your job or an unexpected expense pops up? It can be a real financial strain. By diversifying your income sources, you create a safety net. This means you have multiple streams of money coming in, reducing your financial stress. In this video, I'll share practical strategies to help you create multiple income streams, even with a 9-to-5 job. We'll explore side hustles, investments, and passive income opportunities. Let's dive in. The first step is to identify your skills and passions. What are you naturally good at? What do you enjoy doing? Think about the things people always ask you for help with. These skills can be monetized. For example, if you enjoy writing, offer freelance writing services. Leverage your existing skills to create additional income streams. The gig economy offers a flexible way to earn extra income, allowing individuals to take control of their financial future. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect freelancers with clients, providing a marketplace for a wide range of skills and services. Whether you're a writer, designer, or virtual assistant, there's a gig for you. These platforms cater to various professions, making it easy to find work that matches your expertise. Many start with gigs alongside their 9-to-5 jobs, gradually transitioning to full-time freelancing as they build their client base and reputation. The flexibility allows you to set your own hours and work from anywhere, giving you the freedom to balance work with personal commitments. Create a compelling profile and start bidding on projects. Highlight your skills and experience to attract potential clients and stand out in the competitive gig economy. Becoming a content creator is easier than ever. Share your knowledge on a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast. Consistently create high-quality content that provides value. Explore monetization options like advertising and affiliate marketing. Create and sell digital products like online courses or ebooks. Digital products can generate passive income. We all have things lying around that we rarely use. Instead of letting them collect dust, monetize them. List a spare room on Airbnb or rent out your car on Turo. Even smaller items like tools can be rented out. Research platform policies and fees before listing. Renting out unused items is a great way to generate passive income. Investing is a powerful way to build wealth and generate passive income. Options include dividend-paying stocks and rental properties. Dividends provide a steady stream of income. Rental properties can generate significant cash flow. Peer-to-peer lending platforms offer higher returns. While investing carries risk, the potential returns can be significant. Turn your hobby into a profitable side hustle. Imagine transforming your passion into a source of income. Sell your creations on platforms like Etsy or at local craft fairs. These platforms provide a great opportunity to reach customers who appreciate handmade and unique items. Treat it like a business. Invest in quality materials and provide excellent customer service. This will help you build a loyal customer base and ensure repeat business. As your business grows, invest in marketing to reach a wider audience. Utilize social media, create a website, and consider paid advertising to expand your reach. Doing what you love while earning extra income is rewarding. It not only provides financial benefits, but also personal satisfaction and fulfillment. Explore your entrepreneurial spirit and potentially turn your passion into a full-time business. With dedication and hard work, your hobby can become your main source of income, allowing you to live your dream every day. So, there you have it. 6 strategies to create multiple income streams. Start with options that align with your skills and interests. Gradually expand and diversify your income sources. Patience is key. Don't expect to get rich quick. Focus on consistent effort and reinvesting your earnings. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips on boosting your financial future.